Perplexity Comet is one of the newest AI browsers aiming to replace traditional web browsing with an AI first experience. But is it actually better than Chrome or Arc? Let's find out in under 3 minutes. Comet is Perplexity's AI powered browser designed to help you search, summarize, and complete tasks without constantly switching between tabs. Instead of just browsing the web, Comet acts like an AI assistant built directly into your browser. Features: the biggest feature is AI powered browsing. You can ask questions about any web page, summarize articles, compare products, or explain complex topics instantly. Comet also includes conversational search powered by Perplexity's AI, giving cited answers instead of a list of blue links. Another useful feature is task automation. It can help draft emails, summarize documents, research topics, and speed up everyday workflows without leaving the browser. Performance: in terms of speed, Comet feels responsive and modern. AI responses are generated quickly, and browsing performance is smooth for everyday use. The browser is especially useful for researchers, students, developers, and professionals who spend a lot of time reading and gathering information online. However, because it's still relatively new, some features are still evolving, and it doesn't yet have the massive extension ecosystem that Chrome offers. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent AI search experience, fast web page summaries, built in research assistant, clean and modern interface. Cons: limited availability for some users, smaller extension library than Chrome. Some advanced features may require a paid Perplexity subscription. Who should use Comet? If your work involves research, writing, coding, or studying, Comet can save a lot of time by reducing repetitive searches. But if you mainly browse social media, watch videos, or rely heavily on Chrome extensions, switching may not provide huge benefits right now. Verdict: overall, Perplexity Comet is one of the most promising AI browsers of 2026. Its AI first approach makes researching and finding information much faster than traditional browsers. While it's still growing, it's already a strong option for productivity focused users. If you found this review helpful and useful, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let us know down below in the comments whether you would switch to Perplexity Comet or stick with Chrome or any other browser. Thanks for watching and goodbye.